Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto News, the YouTube channel where we bring you news about crypto. Today is February 11th on a Saturday, and Bitcoin is trading at $21,710, up 0.32%, or I guess 31.34% over the last 24 hours. And I just have one piece of news that I would like to share with you guys today. Bitcoin is already in its next bull market cycle, Pantera Capital. This cycle's Bitcoin and altcoins lows are behind us, Pantera CEO Dan Morehead says as he looks to a year of rebuilding trust. Now, if you don't know who Dan Morehead is, he's obviously the CEO of Pantera. This is what it looks like. CEO of Pantera, Bitcoin is beginning its 7th bull cycle, and investors should not be scared of the crypto post FTX, Pantera Capital believes. In its latest blockchain letter on February 8th, which is only a couple of days ago, the asset management firm CEO Dan Morehead predicted that 2023 would be a year of rebuilding trust, with BTC price action retracing slightly after gaining 40% in January. Some market participants still insist that new macro lows are due across crypto assets. While the timing for such a scenario varies, consensus remains absent when it comes to how the market will rebound. The time to flip bullish on crypto is already here. Pantera has been through 10 years of Bitcoin cycles, and I've traded through 35 years of similar cycles, as in Dan Morehead. Dan Morehead believes that blockchain assets have seen the lows that were in the next bull market cycle, regardless of what happens in the interest rate sensitive asset classes. That perspective differs from the majority in casting aside the debate over crypto price correlation with risk assets such as equities. Morehead argued that the drawdown from Bitcoin's latest all-time high had placed the market well within the historical context, despite dipping below its previous bull market all-time high after the FTX debacle in November 2022. The decline from November 2021 to November 2022 was the median of a typical cycle. This is the only bear market to more than completely wipe out the previous bull market. In this case, giving back 136% of the previous rally alongside accompanying data. The median downdraft has been 307 days, and the previous bear market was 376. The median drawdown has been a negative 37% downdraft, and the latest bear market ended at negative 77%. Going forward, a trend change will ensue, with Bitcoin on its way to fresh record highs. I think we're done with that and beginning a grind higher, Morehead added. And here's a chart of the major Bitcoin price cycles, and here it shows that it's down 77%, a jurisdiction by jurisdiction recovery. Similar optimism was directed at the decentralized finance space, with Pantera nonetheless positioning for a year of rebuilding trust and centralized finance, or CeFi. First and foremost, this would be necessary, Morehead claimed, in the light of last year's multiple corporation failures which precipitated the crypto bear market. 2022 was the year of booms and major busts, especially as it pertains to CeFi. In the span of a few months, the world saw Three Arrows Capital collapse, Do Kwon's Luna disintegrate, Voyager's Digital go bankrupt, and Sam Bankman-Fried's, or SBF, FTX empire shatter, he explained. What do all these events have in common? The headlines like to suggest that it was crypto and Web3 that failed, but in fact, it was a combination of bad actors skirting lines in jurisdictions without clear regulation. If 2022 was the year of breaking rules and failing, I believe 2023 is the year that entities instead follow the rules and enjoy the rewards of doing so. While the letter did not mention the current regulatory battle involving the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, it foresaw CeFi reclaiming its clout worldwide on a jurisdiction by jurisdiction level. So, pretty interesting stuff. Dan Morehead is, I believe, definitely knows what he's talking about. But I personally feel like he's a little early on calling the bull market. A lot of people are saying that it could be the end of this year or the beginning of next year, where the actual bull market does happen right before the halving of next year. But this man is definitely experienced. He is a CEO of a asset management firm, and he's been through several different cycles. So definitely take what you want from this. He could be right, or he could be early, or he could be wrong. But nevertheless, there will be a bull market happening, whether it's right now or the end of this year or next year or in 2 years or in 3 years from now. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I thought this was very interesting, a very bold call from the CEO of Pantera, Dan Morehead. But I do believe this is a year of trust, rebuilding that trust in the crypto space, and with retail investors, coming in and like having confidence that they won't be screwed over. Last year was definitely tough for a lot of people, especially for myself. Just trying to navigate through the space with so many bad actors and so many companies trying to, swindle their way of getting more money out of the retail and kind of screwing us over. So, but I'll go ahead and call it there, you guys. Today is Saturday. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Other than that, I hope to see you in my next video.